He has given you in 30 installments. He has directed.
I have been admitted because I am employed. There is a proceeding against me under section 2 Act disciplinary appeal to 2000.
After you have taken you have made an undertaking to deposit it in 30 installments. You are challenging it now.
No, it is ex parte order. I have not. The impugned order is passed, my lord, against the government employee. My submission is in a COVID period. A certificate case was filed, and I have also been asked to pay the amount. While I am in government employee, there is a proceeding under section of the Bihar Disciplinary Appeal Rules 2005, because the scheme is to be compliance by the Mukhia, and the road he has.
He has given you in 30 installments. He has directed.
I have been admitted because I am employed. There is a proceeding against me under section 2 Act disciplinary appeal to 2000.
After you have taken you have made an undertaking to deposit it in 30 installments. You are challenging it now.
No, it is ex parte order. I have not.
So you said that I have given this.
No, I have not. Mukhia is there. The Mukhia has to play the role of the entire thing. I have nothing to play in this matter. I am only as an employee of the government. I have to sign over the check out, and nothing more I have to do. I have other work.
So you did not appear in certificate case?
No, I have not appeared.
Then what can we do? File an appeal? Or you move an application order 9/30?
Against this, no appeal is there, my lord.
Against the certificate order, section 60 is there. Or you file an application under order 9/13 if it is an ex parte order.
Then my lord, the civil court, my lord, there.
No, you can go to PDR also because they have the powers under the civil court.
But then
सब हमें बताना पड़ेगा कि यहाँ बैठे.
I am the government employee, my lord. Therefore, the proceeding can be initiated in me whatever
the petitioner
license in my part.
Says the order passed in the certificate proceeding. You want to withdraw and go there, otherwise you will get an order from this court for no good reason. आपको जाना चाहिए वहाँ पे, अपील भी जानी चाहिए या 9/13 में जाना चाहिए, कह के जाना चाहिए कि हम नहीं है सर, हमें सुना जाए. Ex parte order.
The observation may continue.
After some arguments, counsel submits that the order passed by the additional collector in certain case is an ex parte order. The petitioner should be allowed to move application order 9 rule 13 for setting aside ex parte order, as the petitioner is not responsible for the payment. I have considered the submission. Provisions of CPC are wholly applicable in PDR proceedings. In view thereof, Order 9 Rule 13 would powers under Order 9 Rule 13 are available to the additional collector for setting aside an ex parte order. If any application is moved by the petitioner, giving out reasons for not giving out cogent reasons for not being present, comma, in the proceedings, comma, the additional collector is expected to pass speaking order and examine the matter on merits if he so deems it proper. The petitioner also has a remedy of preferring an appeal in terms of section 60 of the Act. Keeping in view thereto, the present petition is disposed of.
My lord, in the meter, no course it is taken since I am a government employee, therefore.
9/13 में एप्लीकेशन लगाने के साथ साथ स्टे भी लगाया जा सकता है. और आपको क्या कहा बताएं? सिविल कोर्ट में तो ये सब चीजें नॉर्मल है.
और नॉर्मली होता नहीं है वहाँ से उधर तो.
कैसे नहीं लगता? एक्ट में देखिए प्रोविजन.
लेकिन देते नहीं है नॉर्मली पैसे के मामले.
लगाते नहीं है ये बोलिए. क्योंकि यहाँ आने का एक आसान तरीका है ना, सीधा आ जाओ 25 रुपए में यहाँ लगा दो, क्या जा रहा है.
ठीक है. Disposed of, my lord.
Disposed of.
Oblique.